Did you know that light-duty cleaners are one of the most in-demand jobs in Canada? Light-duty cleaners are in high demand across the country. Canada has been increasingly relying on temporary foreign workers to fill job vacancies for this occupation across the country. If you are a cleaner, you should be thinking of immigrating to Canada. Do not waste time. Start your journey today and be amongst the 500,000 immigrants that Canada is planning to bring yearly until 2025. Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, we will be discussing why you should migrate to Canada as a light-duty cleaner, duties of light-duty cleaners, job requirements, how you can immigrate to Canada permanently as a light-duty cleaner, how you can apply for light-duty cleaner jobs in Canada. I will show you 2 provinces where light-duty cleaning is in demand. You should intensify your job search in these provinces. If you are applying through the express entry, you can choose these provinces as your destination. Migrating to Canada offers many benefits for foreign workers. Canada is one of the most popular destinations for immigrants from around the world. The country offers a wide range of opportunities and benefits to immigrants. It has a strong economy, a stable political system, excellent healthcare, and educational systems. Secondly, light-duty cleaners are in demand across Canada, and you might be able to obtain a Canadian permanent residency visa with or without a job offer. This is projected to grow. According to Job Bank Canada, over the period 2022 to 2031, new job openings are expected to total 121,900. Look here. Light-duty cleaners are in demand in the province of Nova Scotia. To be eligible, you need a job offer from an employer in Nova Scotia. Light-duty cleaners are also in demand in Prince Edward Island. It is an employer-driven program allowing employers in Prince Edward Island to fill specific positions with talent from inside and outside of Canada. Please keep on watching as I would show you some websites to apply for jobs. Additionally, light-duty cleaners have flexible schedules. Some companies have different shifts you can choose from, such as day shift, every weekend shifts, Monday to Friday shift, morning shift, evening shift. With such flexibility in scheduling, you should maintain a healthy work-life balance. The salaries of light-duty cleaners in Canada are very competitive. As an experienced light-duty cleaner, you can earn up to $25 an hour. Here are some of the duties of light-duty cleaners: sweeping and mopping floors, stairs, and other surfaces. Clean and sanitize public spaces, including restrooms, showers, and escalators. Make beds, change linens, and provide fresh towels and toiletries. Help with room setups with tables and chairs. Clean and dust furniture. Clean bathrooms and restock paper supplies daily. Disinfect operating rooms and other areas. Pick up debris and empty trash containers. Provide basic information on facilities. Handle and report lost and found items. Job requirements. There are no specific education requirements for this occupation, but you are expected to have the following qualities: client focus, initiative, reliability, flexibility, team player, values and ethics, work independently, responsible. There is a possibility of progressing to supervisory cleaning positions with additional training or experience. Work setting. Light-duty cleaners are employed by hotels, hospitals, motels, resorts, recreational facilities, and other institutions. You may also work for private individuals or be self-employed. How you can immigrate to Canada permanently as a light-duty cleaner. A lot of people do not know that they can immigrate to Canada as cleaners. Many think only well-educated immigrants such as doctors, engineers, teachers, nurses, and social workers can immigrate to Canada. This is not true. Cleaners are welcome in Canada. There are many pathways to choose from as a light-duty cleaner, but these 4 are the best pathways because they will give you the greatest chances of success in the application process. 1. Express entry system. This is the fastest and simplest way to immigrate to Canada if you meet the eligibility criteria. If you are applying as a light-duty cleaner through the Express Entry program, your NOC code is 65310. 2. The Atlantic Immigration Pilot. Light-duty cleaners are in high need in the Atlantic provinces. You may be eligible to apply if you have a valid job offer. Intensify your search for light-duty cleaners in these provinces. 3. Provincial Nominee Program. You will need a valid job offer to be nominated. Please search for as many jobs as you can. 4. The Rural and Northern Immigration Program. You will need a valid job offer to apply for this one as well. Light-duty cleaners are in high demand, so you might be qualified to immigrate to Canada through the Rural and Northern Immigration Pilot. With a valid job offer from a Canadian employer, you can proceed to apply for your work visa. How you can apply for jobs as a light-duty cleaner. Most light-duty cleaner jobs in Canada are advertised online on job sites. You can apply from anywhere around the world. Prepare your CV and apply for light-duty cleaning jobs on the websites I am going to show you. The first website is jubal.org. There are over 6,000 job vacancies for light-duty cleaners on this website. Scroll through them and apply. You can filter by location or salary. Next is Canada Job Bank. Scroll through and apply for as many jobs as you can. Check the expiring date of job listings and apply. This is another website. There are 20 openings for light-duty cleaners. Their labor market impact assessment status is in progress. This means that once approved, they will be able to bring in foreign workers to Canada. I hope this video was helpful. Please prepare your CV and apply for as many cleaning jobs as you can to boost your success. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.